G'day there. Welcome to Iron Empire. G'day guys, welcome back to the Iron Empire. We're doing a midweek update here. And we are down in Charlie Dixon's new shop called CHUX GARAGE. You would have seen Charlie on his channel Drivin with Dixon. And we've stopped in for the day to... You right there, buddy? We've stopped in for the day where I thought I would show you guys around and also give you a quick update on some merch. So stick around and we'll get stuck into it. Alright guys, so first up, I don't think I've even shown you guys Charlie's shop before. He's been here for quite a while and it used to be separated into two sections. He's now taken over the whole premises and it's really good. But while we're in here, this is his little office. He packs all his orders and organises all his channel here when he's not doing it at home. And I'm pretty jealous because this office is awesome. I need something like this to work on my stuff. It'd be really handy. Little car park area, enough to probably fit 10 cars out there comfortably, but then going through into the shed, it gets good. Alright, so this is the CHUX Garage, as you can see. Charlie's over here putting together a engine stand for the... Can I say what you're doing it for? Oh yeah, this is for the RB. He's building for the HX ute that he's building. Long-term project, but everything that's here from Bullet is ready to go. And that's gonna happen really, really soon. So Charlie's getting organized for that. And yeah, I don't think I've shown you guys this premises before, but it used to come to like here. It would be just this little corner and it was up to the carpet, and it was a bit of a challenge. You could pretty much park a couple of cars in here, work on one, but there wasn't a great deal of room. You will see some of the footage in some of Charlie's earlier videos, but he's now taken over the whole premises. Wildtail Arts, Kyle has done some awesome artwork in here to make it look a bit more personalised. So we've got CHUX Garage up there, got the GT40 on the wall, looks amazing, and the centre line over there with Mickey Thompson. So a bit of artwork, and of course the Drivin with Dixon sign up in the back corner. So yeah, I really want to do something like this in my shed, but at the moment every last inch is storage. So yeah, look, a little bit going on down here. The F truck, which you guys would have seen on some very early episodes, is in the corner here awaiting its turn. It's been put on the back burner while he concentrates on getting the Monaro ready for drag challenge this year. Under the bonnet here, Charlie's been doing some bits and pieces to get this thing all ready to go for the week, and hopefully that still goes ahead with everything that's going on in the world. And it also goes in with this shed with a friend that has a couple of cars here stored. So yeah, there's a project under here which I cannot tell you about. So you'll have to stay tuned on Charlie's channel to get an update on that, hopefully soon. Very soon, yeah, he's nodding, he's going to do it soon. Yeah, that's going to be another fun little project for Charlie to get stuck into. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the shed. We've got Judge down here with me today, hitting the streets and running some errands. And that is all for inside the shed here. And as you can see outside, plenty of room for parking and whatnot. So yeah, a good little space for Charlie to be working on his stuff. And yeah, kind of jealous, it's huge. So now onto the merch. Now as we head back into the office here, I want to show you guys a couple of shirts that I've got. Actually, I've got to be careful what I show you because there's a secret under there. Oh, Judge got locked out. Sorry buddy, he'll work his way in. So you guys have been lapping up the Flannies. Not doing a very good job of showcasing these things at the moment. Let me put my camera down, bear with me. Okay, so you guys have been lapping up the Flannies. I've sold more Flannies than just about anything else on the channel. So I appreciate your support on that, but I have all but sold out. I've got maybe 3 units left. So I'm gonna do one more run of Flannies this season. What I'm gonna do this time around, I'm gonna do a pre-order. It's going to be literally 1 week pre-order. I figure if you guys are keen on my channel and you guys are keen on my merch, chances are you've seen this within a week of me uploading it. So I'm going to do a pre-order. So if you can order your Flannies for 1 week from when this is uploaded, There'll be all the sizes and everything available on the store that I can get through the supplier, and then once you place that order, they'll be printed the following week. So you should get them from 2 to 3 weeks after you've ordered. So now, one thing that will be available right now is this Flannie and also this Flannie. These were 2 test Flannies. They are different than the others. The pocket print is the same, as you can see, but the back print is ginormous. So this was one of the test prints that we done, and I thought it was a little bit excessive, but if you want to look like a prisoner and you've just escaped, this is the shirt for you. So that one's available. That is a blue in a medium, and we got the green, which was done with a grayer print. That's available in a 3XL. So it's just literally those 2. You will find them on the store right now. So check out the description below, follow the link to that, pick them up if they suit you. Otherwise, do yourself a order and you'll see it within the next 3 weeks. Alright, so that's going to do for this quick update. As usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Please check out the online store. The support is amazing, and I will see you all on the next one. Cheers, guys.